By who?
Whose affidavit?
The applicant's affidavit.
Whose name of the
That is Obuli Namenya.
Say in other words, you are
my Lord, permit me with
Perhaps, my Lord, again, because we have to be fair to the court, my colleague has to be candid and confirm to the court. The reason is withdrawing that paragraph 16 is because the claim there is factually false. Because you can't just withdraw and leave the world thinking...
You are not certain seeing that paragraph 16. Can you read it, the paragraphs you want to withdraw?
And 10 and 16.
Your Lordship, are you having the same application?
Read as paragraph 10, which we want to withdraw, and paragraph 16, so that we can consider if it can be withdrawn.
Yes, paragraph 16.
It's a lie.
We give Mr. Degoa, my lords, your leadership, the opportunity to finish his sentence.
Let him read those paragraphs,
Yes.
so that we can sit down.
No, I agree. I'm just saying, protect him from these tutorials that he's getting from this.
Order. Please read as paragraph 10.
Your Lordship, I would wish to say that most respectively, I wish to say no more in respect to the paragraph that I just dispatched.
This is a direction from court. Read paragraph 10 and
16.
paragraph 16.
Paragraph 16 reads...
Paragraph 10 first.
May I have some peace, Your Lordship?
No. Listen.
How many people are in conduct of these trials, Your Lordship?
Listen.
Who is in conduct?
Listen. Bana Njiru.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'll read.
You have applied to expunge paragraphs 10 and paragraph 16.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Can you read those paragraphs which you intend to expand?
Your Lordship, paragraph 16 says that...
Paragraph 10.
Do I have to read the format? And Your Lordship, may I take note that these paragraphs have been expunged? One,
we have not expunged those paragraphs.
That I have made an application to expunge them.
Can I read them for you? Just read
The petitioners have credible information that Honorable Murima is a close associate to the proposed Deputy President, one Mr. Kithure Kindiki, and that the said judge failed, refused, or neglected to disclose those facts to the parties at the inception. The basis of the application to expunge that particular paragraph is on the basis that the same has been linked to the affidavit sworn in petition 015. Paragraph 16, that Lady Justice Mugambi is conflicted as she should recuse herself, as she was Mr. Kithure Kindiki's LLM student at Moi University.
We have no LLM program at Moi University.
You will have your time to submit,
Yes,
sir.
let them respond.
Stop itching. And that's why I'm expunging it. That's why I'm expunging this paragraph. That is what my client said.
When the time comes.
A crucial issue that, that she failed and or refused to disclose to the parties. My client has learned that she was not an LLM there and that she only took her degree in that university.
We have no objection to anything being expunged.
subject to the court observing that if this witness has lied about these two issues, what else has he lied about?
Issues to be made.
In a ruling, because application has been made and the response is there, but we decline the invitation to expunge those paragraphs. They will remain as part of the record.
We are most obliged.
My Lord, will you permit me to address you?
Dr. Kamuna, we would appreciate if you want to address us in the course of the, as in you are submitting. Is that the position?
Yes, that's about position.
Okay, proceed.
Yeah.
What is the position?
My Lord, my position is this, is that if there is a party,
Are you supporting the motion?
I'm supporting my land friends complaint to Legu and Chiru and my land friend Mr. Kipe.
You need to go first.
Hmm?
Let them go first.
Oh, you want to go first?
Yes. I'll fix it.
Do you have a prejudice if I talk?
Yes. Yes. Yes, we should.
I see.
Thank you very much to my senior. My Lord, I'll take about 15 minutes. Mercifully, my issues are issues of law. They will not incite any shooting up from my respondents, or should not. My Lords, my Lords and your Ladyship, I have submitted some two cases. The first case is the case of Standard Chartered Financial Services and another versus Manchester Outfitters. I don't know that you have that with you. And the second is a case called Naveen Premjikerai versus Virunga Limited and others.